wanna show you a magical hike to the Trollsjön in Abisko.
Yeah, and we arrived in Abisko after spending some wonderful days in Lofoten, which unfortunately didn't end so well.
No, I fell on some rocks and hurt my arm really badly.
Yeah, you actually got a fracture on your arm and the doctor in Narvik had to put it in cast. But that didn't stop you from hiking back and forth through Trollsjön the next day.
No, that was Nemas Problemas. Enough talking now. Let's show them Trollsjön.
Okay, but let's start with a quick recap from Lofoten.
Alright, but then it's off to Trollsjön.
Oj, oj, oj! Look at this! Jens got a huge fish. We think maybe it's a big shark. This is Julians. It was by that stone wall behind the car where Julian fell and hurt himself, but after a visit to the hospital in Narvik and getting his arm in cast, we drove into Sweden and Abisko. Arriving late to Björkliden, we got the last spot.
Yeah, up, bil här.
I'm shooting, I'm a YouTuber, I go first. Yeah. So that's okay. We have the last parking space.
Shoo!
Fortunately, we got the last spot at Björkliden's camping where we celebrated our wedding anniversary in the lovely evening sun. And the next morning we had just 25 kilometers to Trollsjöns parking area. The 6-kilometer hike to Trollsjön with an elevation gain of 400 meters starts through a birch forest before reaching the bare mountain plateau. It crosses the railway where all trains between Narvik and Kiruna operate.
That was so long.
Chef has left his group going up to the lake to prepare some lunch. I'm a bit exhausted. It's quite steep uphill. I think it's just around the corner. Here it is. Trollsjön. Troll Lake. It's a bit windy, sun is shining. Perfect weather. Going to prepare some nice lunch for my family. How did it feel to go up here with a broken arm? Almost a broken arm.
Yes. That was so much kämpegött.
Kämpegött, det var gött. Så här, kämpegött, min gött. We're preparing some food here. We got some pasta carbonara. That's Julian's. And we got some chicken tikka masala.
Hello?
That's for my wife Jenny. And I'm gonna try out a taco stew. Julian, what is number one you have to bring when you're out hiking?
Food.
Food and beer. Ooh, there it goes. Nom, 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 nom.
I said, I get said I wanna see when.
Cheers. 850 meters above sea level lies the magical Trollsjön, or Rissajärvi in Sami language, which roughly translates to the lake that glimmers like fire. This stunningly clear turquoise green lake, fed by the meltwaters of nearby glaciers, boasts an incredible visibility depth about 36 meters, making it the clearest lake in Sweden. On the way home, I found the most famous Gotlandic and Swedish stone, Hoborgsgubbens northern cousin, up here. Here we have a more close-up. Look at his big nose there. An old one came here a long time ago with the trolls, the giants of Sweden. Who has put this big stone here? Was it you, Julian?
Det var så nice. Det var så nice. Så big.
It was the Bigfoot.
Yes, det var så Bigfoot.
Who put the stone there?
Yes.
Yeah. Tuta. Ja! Där! Och så... Där kom den. Oj, här har de pissat och bajsat och skit och grejer. Så här får det inte se ut i fjällen heller. Tuta, 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 tuta. Kom igen! Kom igen! Ja! Got it! Julian, nu har det gått 12 kilometer.
Jag borde vara typ världscupen barn. Jag är typ bäst på att gå. Men alltså en bruten arm. En spricka i.
Spricka upp, koll på fötterna där nu. Upp, 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 upp. Wrong car. Here is our
road again.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
going places that I never been,
seeing things I may never see again.
and I can wait to get on the road again.
On the road again, in our campervan, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. Didn't know I was lost. Didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. Didn't know, didn't know.
Once we returned to Björkliden, we also took the opportunity for a brief visit to the lovely waterfall Silverfallet, with the Laponian gate visible in the distance. This place, my old friend Tompa Tiger Andersson celebrated his 13th birthday, and we went up there and had a party. You can have a barbecue in here, and you see the Laporten from there. Here, we're gonna run up there, I think. So let's go.
See my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can tell that the journey, I know where it starts. Tell me out to the underwood street. Said I'm caught up in a dream. Life would pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. That's fine by me. Hey! So wake me up when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was fighting myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
Julian has just earned 100 Swedish kronor.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Jag svällde halva tabletter.
You got these pills and they're hard to swallow because the pain in your arm.
Yes.
Good work.
Good work.
Good work. Looks like a symbol down there. Yeah. What is it?
Guitar?
A guitar? Or a bottle?
Yes. Oh, it's really cool.
Pancakes in Kiruna, and we are having sovas. Nice. Kiruna. Here the new Kiruna is emerging. The entire city center, including buildings, roads and utilities, is being relocated about 3 kilometers to the east due to ground subsidence caused by decades of iron ore mining.
On the road again.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
The life I love is traveling with my family.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
On the road again.
Going places that I never been.
Seeing things I may never see again.
And I can't wait to get on the road again. Thunder and lightning in Siknäs. It's thunder and lightning in Siknäs. That's a wrap for this video. We hope you had a great time watching. If you enjoyed this trip, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. We'd love to hear from you, and your comments below are much appreciated. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep exploring, respect and care for nature, drive safely and have a fantastic time. Catch you in the next video. Hej då!
Turning our way and our way.
I'm a hiking boy with my arm in cast. Här är Trollsjön, här är Trollsjön.
Check out these views! Vilka vyer! Juliano!
Yeah, this is my song and your song.
And everybody's song.